Presenting DIGITEK 260 Gorilla Tripod, designed with anti-slip and anti-crack, and it comes with 360-degree rotation. The box includes DIGITEK 260 Gorilla Tripod, Bluetooth remote, mobile holder. This 13-inch tripod weighs 150 grams and has dimension 29 by 6.7 by 5.5 centimeters. This DIGITEK Gorilla Tripod comes with anodized finishing rotating sphere, which ensures to get load-bearing capacity for DSLR camera, mobile tripod, DSLR tripod and GoPro tripod. It comes with clasp lock made of fail-proof mechanism that ensures phone tripod never loses the angle while shooting a time-lapse type view. This tripod is portable and the ABS makes this tripod lightweight and durable. It comes with load capacity of 1 kg and height can be extended up to 240 mm. It has 10 sections and also comes with head with adjustable pan and quick release button. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.